Hello, welcome viewers and my dear students. So today just I will discuss about the 2 points, the two key points. That is the pre-board exam, another is that is the internal assessment. So because lots of messages just have been coming, so and blows down and asking me just about suppose some students just asking me, so we are just getting very poor marks, very desperate marks or miserable marks in the pre-board exam. So then how do you can does the marks be also push up or push forward? They can be also any chance of likely to be increased, suppose in the mark sheet when it will be awarded to the ICSE class 10 students. So देखिए यहाँ पर जो प्री बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम था, some students secured the below the expectation marks and some students also got failed in that exam. प्री बोर्ड का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. So those students they got failed in the pre board exam ICC class 10. They have asked me questions, sir, suppose we have failed, suppose the school will also supply or provide that marks, the fail marks, those they have secured in the pre-board exam at their own school. Just will be forwarded, will be punch up to the ICSE board, just to be provided such marks again, will get failed. No, listen, this time, according to the ICSE platforms or the mark criterion that will be based on, means here absolutely very negligent chance of just failing in the exam, because very least chance of failing this time. In other words, just I will be explicate just this meaning of this, that so here no chance of failing in the exam, because 0% chance of failing in that annual exam. Mark sheet when will come, you will surely see that those students got failed, they will now this time will be pass out. Absolutely it is no possibility of failing in the annual exam. So it is the pre-board, and some students also have secured below the expectation. देखिए उसका जो expectation था उसका below the expectation marks. I think it is generally or genuinely and moralistically it is also, I think spontaneously, just it is bypassed in the that is called hop in the that is pre-board exam, because I think in the ICSE class 10 or maybe CBSE class 10, I think pre-board exam is meticulously, that is also that is meticulously the marks are given also very stringently on the tight list in order to prove them in the annual exam. So that's why maximum students got below the expectation marks. So it is the law and order of the board exams, that is the tricks in the pre-board marks. So I think eventually they got out with just the flying colors of success. Yes, that just I will discuss about. So those students as below देखिए जो below expectation का mark है, definitely they will get 10 to 15% marks increase in the annual exam. देखिए इस बार सबका 10 to 15, I think it is the negotiable marks. That is called the brand marks. Because the train was going on the general platform, now it is going on metro platform. I think some vulnerable, that is called the credibilities and also the vital importance will be given for the whole and larger extent of the benefits for the student, benefit of the students, because the whatever the decision will be taken, that is will be beyond the doubts, because it will go for the larger interest of the students, and the benefit of the doubts will go to the students. So another so मान just 10 to 15% surely and also absolutely will get for in your annual exam marks. Pre-board exam देखिए, pre-board exam can be a part of the internal assessment, जो आईसीएसई बोर्ड ने बोला है कि प्री बोर्ड देखिए इंटरनल असेसमेंट, सो विद इन द सर्कल ऑफ द इंटरनल असेसमेंट द प्री बोर्ड मार्किंग कैन बी ए पार्ट ऑफ द असेसमेंट, हो सकता है एक पार्ट ऑफ असेसमेंट, एंड देर आर ऑल्सो सम प्रोजेक्ट मार्क्स and some practical marks. These are also included dynamically in such arena of the scrutiny or the procession. वो भी आ सकता है, प्रैक्टिकल मार्क है आपका, प्रोजेक्ट भी मार्क है, हाँ आपका जो इम्प्रेशन होता है विद इन द क्लास, एंड ऑल्सो द साइकिलिक ऑफ द दैट इज कॉल्ड द होल कैलेंडर ईयर, दैट इज योर मीन्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर आपका असेसमेंट भी होगा. So I think every and also each just will be taken into the meridian of the accounts, and then it will be judged your mark. I think so here also comprehensively absolutely no chance, 10 to 15% definitely, and just on the marathon just will get half that. Another thing that discuss. So I think in case of the ISC students class 12, both CBSE and also ICSE, I think may have very least chance of the cancellations, very slightest chance of cancellation, because so now just I will go through the accounts of the corona blistering just hike, and also it is how much have just the cases day by day is likely to be rising up. Yesterday it was also more than 3 lakhs. So if you will just account this, it I think will also not in stable condition now. So that's why the situation what will be likely, then afterwards that will be taken into account. But one thing just I will be solemnly just I will be affirmed you that. So I see that is called the ISC students class 12 in case of CBSE and ISCSE. So very least chance of cancellation, because you are just going to have your competitive exam. Suppose the exam is cancelled, then you are ascertain for your, because you have to drive for your competition exam, different on the different platform, different exams. So anyhow, you have to stick to that also, your predefined the competitions anyhow. So then you have to continue your studies, may not be also hesitantly or dynamically, or that is called superfluously this time. But anyhow, the cake walking manner, or comfortably or soothingly, and also luxuriantly, जस्ट यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर स्टाइल ऑफ रीडिंग. देखिए आपको इतना बहुत सीरियसली नहीं होगा, बहुत आसान से, बहुत आराम से उसको पढ़ाई चाहिए, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू मीट द वेरियस दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स दैट ऑल्सो आफ्टर योर क्लास योर promotion is over. So I think these were the points about to be discussed about it. So thank you all. So I just one thing just I'll mention. So in the month of June, just in the first week month of June, the ICSE board just may declare the results, or I think just in the month of June anyhow. So CBSE will get first day publish the results in IC afterwards. So in the month of June, just probably just you will get your results. So thank you all, bye bye all, and also have a nice day.